So this is the first of a set of tutorials about using Photopea. It's very similar to Photoshop. In fact, if you watch Photoshop tutorials, you'll probably be able to use Photopea. And if you watch Photopea tutorials, you'll probably actually be able to use Photoshop because they're very, very similar. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to bring an image from Google into Photopea. So the first thing that I want to do is actually find my image and have it on my clipboard. So I can search for something like giraffe and go to images. And one little tip is to go to tools and size and choose large. Because then instead of picking a low resolution image that you can't do much with, at least you're starting with a nice large image. So I'm going to click on, an image, and I get this bigger version, and I will right click and go to copy image. And one thing that I want to pay attention to is this little number down here, 248 by 2048. Now I will go to new project, or if I didn't have this option here, I could go to file. So I'll show you that when we do the second one. So I go to new project. And I want to make sure that this is 2048 by 2048 and press create. It's going to make the box the right size for me to put the image in. So I have the image on my clipboard. I have a box that's the right size. And so now all I have to do is edit paste, or on a PC, you would do Control V. So let me go through that process again in case you want to take notes or something. So the first thing that I want to do is find my picture. So let's find maybe this picture. And when I hover over it, I see it's 1272 by 1696. I want to right click and copy image. Go over to Photopea again. Go to File New. So if you don't have that kind of intro screen, just go to File, File New, and look, it's actually the right size, so that's good. And I'm going to press Create. And now to paste, I just go to Edit Paste, or Control V on a PC, or I think it's Command or Apple V on Apple on a Mac. So now I actually have two images open and they're on tabs, and I can switch back and forth. Before we go, I just want to show you that we have different sections of Photopea. I have my menu bar up at the top. Underneath, I have an option bar. So when I click on different tools, see how that option bar changes? That's because it's giving me options based on what tool I'm on. All of these tools over here on the left are in something called the toolbox. And on the right, we have an area which shows some palettes. So again, we have the menu bar at the top, then we have the option bar, we have the toolbar on the left, and the palettes on the right. And I can switch between projects with these little tabs. If you have any questions, just let me know.